Police have been reportedly pursuing Bafana Bafana winger Osuna. Now Katlego Mphela believes that while Police is a top-tier player, he alone cannot transform the team. The Naturana-based club have been reportedly pursuing Polokwane City and Bafana Bafana winger Osuna Police for some time and are expected to make another attempt to sign him in January. However, former South Africa and Amakhosi striker Katlego Mphela believes that while Police is a top-tier player, he alone cannot transform Chiefs' fortune. In an exclusive interview with Sokalatum, Mphela, who also played for Mamelodi Sundowns, emphasized that improving the team's fortune requires a collective effort. Any team that can sign Police can improve. Look at what he does at Bafana Bafana and also at Polokwane City, but to change the fortune at Chiefs, they need more than just signing Police. Mphela further stressed the importance of broader strategy for Chiefs, suggesting that additional acquisition in the January transfer window. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.